All right, today I am going to show you a little bit about how you can configure Camera Plus 2 to shoot fully manual, which you're going to need to do for some of the class assignments. So I'm going to go into my Camera Plus 2 app here, and I've just deleted this and reinstalled it, so it should be the same experience basically from scratch that you would have. Would you like to access the camera? Yeah. Yes, I'll always allow it to use my location. Okay, there we are in the studio with the camera. Now if I choose my menu option, I can go in. What you include in sort of your day-to-day display is up to you, but we do want to go into right now advanced controls. And the first thing you want to do is say always show. I recommend turning on live exposure. And then you want to change from shutter priority to full manual. And presets should be fine for white balance for this class. You can change to Kelvin if you'd rather see, numerical measurements of your white balance, but for this class, the presets should be fine. And now, if I go back to the camera, you'll see I've got these controls at the bottom. First of all, I see this EV measure, which is what we'd refer to as exposure compensation. But if I go in, I've got the ability to change my shutter speed and my ISO, and I've also got white balance selection. So that's how you do it. That's how you configure manual mode in Camera Plus 2.